Hello, welcome to the Crowdwalker channel. I'm your host, Crowdwalker, and this is Ribla Studio. Ribla Studio is an animation creation app for Quest and Quest 2 headsets. Today, I'm going to explain how to import your own character into the Ribla Studio. The process is simple. You just have to connect your VR headset to the PC or Mac, whether it's Intel or M1 based, until a folder pops up, which will be the internal storage of your VR headset. Now you just have to find the directories that says DCIM, and then Ribla, and then model. You just have to simply drag and drop your model into that model folder. Simple. Now, the problem is, Ribla Studio only works with VRM files. Unless you're using VRoid Studio, you will have to convert your own model into compatible VRM file. And for now, the only compatible conversion tool is Unity with UniVRM plugin. I hope that helps, and I hope I can come up with more tips or explanations. See you next time. Bye bye.